Add users as treatment partners. To provide the treatment partner access to the RepTool, you have to provide at least one user access. Normally, the person who will create the RepTool reports, but you may also allow several users. In case, you may add users with a read-only right, what means that this person may see reports but will not be allowed to do changes, in case to damage a report by mistake. I recommend you to give different persons at the treatment partner separate RepTool accesses by individual logins and passwords, and to ask them to use them. Let's do some examples for you. Providing different user accesses gives the option to be able to trace changes done in a report. In case of any conflict, you may trace the user who has done changes in any report in the history list of the report. If you provide only one access and different persons of the treatment partner use it, you will not be able to differentiate the person having done any data input. Additionally, there is the advantage that you may communicate with the user via the controller remarks feature, as the user having given any remark will be shown. See the videos on controller remarks under the videos for reporters. If you press Add User, a new empty line will appear and you may fill in data. The surname and the forename will be shown in the menu header when this person has logged in and, as I mentioned, as reporter in the controller remark. Phone and email contact data are optional, but if you want to use the mailing feature of the RepTool, see configuration, you have to add the email address. As administrator of the RepTool, you should keep a red book with logins and passwords provided to your treatment partners to help out if anybody forgets them. Let's add a new user. With Submit, you save your entries. With Add Users, you may give any additional person access. If persons are changing at the treatment partner, you may use the Delete option to withdraw users.